Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create brush text effect in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the custom size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Let's change the background of this template. Go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for a background image here. Let's search Nature. Okay. So scroll down and let's check out some stock images available here on Canva. Okay, let's select this image here. Now go back to the template and right click on this image and set the image as background. Okay, now go on the left hand side and click on text and add a heading here. Let's type brush here. Now go up to the top here and click on fonts and search for brush fonts here. So you can find any brush fonts available here. You can continue to select any brush font that works with you. Okay, let me select this font here. Now you can change the color of this font to any color of your choice and increase the font size as per your requirement. Make sure the text is aligned in the center of this template. See, that was so easy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.